Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an extra layer of security to your account on Steam by adding a phone number to it. So on the home screen here, let's go up to top and go to Steam and go to Settings. And then we can go to Account and we can go to where it says Account Details. Otherwise, we can just go to our name, go to Account Details right here. It'll bring you to the same page. If we scroll on down a couple scrolls, we can go to where it says Add a phone number. For an extra security, you can add your phone number to your account, and Steam can send you important messages to your phone. So let's go to this, scroll on down, and then you can switch it to a different country if you want. If you're in the Philippines or something like that, you can just go to that. That's +63, and then America is +1. Type in your phone number, and then it will send you an SMS code, and you have to type in that code in the next screen. And your phone should be linked to your account, and then that will add an extra layer of security for you. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.